staring at my ceiling for days, staring outside cold days. I've been praying for some better days. Lately I've been seeing too much rain. Pop pills cover all the pain. Lately I've been going insane. Looked around, so many changes. Move around, so many faces. Feels like lately I've been going through some phases. Sometimes I wish that I could change this. Lately I've been tortured by Satan, denying all the deals that he's making. Shooting in the face, leaving faceless. All the words are spewing just be tasteless. I don't really have a choice. Busy fighting all these voices. I don't care what the demon says. I'ma keep fighting till the end. I don't really wanna make amends. Let her leave things broken instead. I've been hearing voices in my head. Need to go back to the math. I've been getting so many threats from demons at the end of my bed. I've been staring at my ceiling for days, staring outside cold days. I've been praying for some better days. Lately I've been seeing too much rain. Pop pills cover all the pain. Lately I've been going insane. Look around, so many changes. Move around, so many faces. Feels like lately I've been going through some phases. Sometimes I wish that I could change this. Cover all the pain, sinking in the rain. Taking all these meds just to fix my brain. Looking at the screen, wishing it was me. All the things I've seen, trust me, you wouldn't believe. What's going on with me? I wish I could unsee.